Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making French onion dogs on the Arteflame grill. So I love French onion soup and I also love hot dogs, so today we're gonna combine those flavors. But first, we need to light up the Arteflame grill, and here's how we're gonna do that. We're gonna start by adding a bunch of lumped charcoal to the middle of the grill. Then we're gonna light the charcoal using the Luft lighter. When the charcoal is lit, we're gonna add small sticks of wood. Then we're gonna keep adding larger and larger sticks of wood until we have a good fire going. While we're waiting for the plancha to get up to an inner temperature of 420 degrees, it's time to start preparing the ingredients for the French onion dogs. So here's what we need to do. We're gonna start by cutting the ends of 3 yellow onions. Then you wanna cut them in half and remove the outer layer. Then we're gonna remove the core from the onions. And last but not least, we're gonna cut them into really thin slices. Then we wanna mix 1 bag of Beefy onion soup with about a cup of sour cream. You wanna stir this thoroughly and set aside. And then we want to prepare the beef franks. Now you can either use the slot dog or you can carefully slice a criss-cross pattern on both sides of the beef franks. So all the ingredients are prepped. The plancha is sitting at a temperature of about 430, 440. So now it's time to get to grilling. We're gonna start by oiling the plancha and then we're gonna grill the onions. You want to grill the onions for about 20 minutes until they're really caramelized and brown. We're going to turn them frequently, and we're also going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. After about 10 minutes, we're going to add the beef franks, and then we want to grill them until they're cooked through. You want to keep rotating them, and when they're ready, move them to the outside of the plancha. We're going to move the grilled onions into 4 piles that we're going to season with a little bit of thyme. Then we're gonna add the shredded Gruyere on top, and then we're gonna dome this to allow the cheese to melt. While we're waiting for the cheese to melt, we're gonna smear the inside of the bun with the beefy onion cream. Then it's time to place the beef frank in the bun and carefully move 1 pile of onions and lay on top. Then these French onion dogs are ready to serve. And that is how I make my French onion dog on the Arteflame. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. And they look and smell amazing. So here we go. This is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.